Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Canon EF-EOS lens on Canon mirrorless camera body. This is the EF-EOS lens which I am going to connect on Canon mirrorless camera. In this video, I will be using this Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. We need an adapter like this. This is the Canon EF-EOS R mount adapter. So we need this adapter to connect EF-EOS lens on Canon mirrorless camera R series camera. So this is a side where we need to connect a EF-EOS lens, and here we can see one white mark, and this is the side which we need to connect on camera body, and on this side we can see one red mark here. First I am going to connect this mount adapter on this camera body. First we need to find this red mark on camera body, then take this mount adapter. On mount adapter we can see one red mark here, so we have to align these red marks like this. Okay, then we need to rotate this mount adapter in clockwise direction until we hear a tick sound. Let me rotate this mount adapter. Done. See, now I have successfully attached this mount adapter on this camera body. So next I am going to attach this lens, EF-EOS lens, on this mount adapter. First we need to find this white mark on this mount adapter, then find white mark on this lens. See, here we can see one white mark on this lens. Then we need to align these white marks like this, then rotate this lens in clockwise direction until we hear a tick sound. Done. Locked. So here we can see locking mechanism. So this way we can attach EF-EOS lens on Canon mirrorless camera body. So next I will show you how to remove this lens and mount adapter. So first here we need to unlock. Just pull this down, then rotate this lens in anti-clockwise direction. Done. So next I am going to remove this mount adapter. On this camera body here we can see one button, so we have to press and hold this button, then rotate this mount adapter in anti-clockwise direction. Done. Removed. So this way we can attach and detach EF-EOS lens on Canon R series mirrorless camera. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.